So this is my trusty Marshall 8080 valve state. By mistake, I'm on a 220 environment and I plug it into 220 rather than the 110. And I've done this in the past, nothing happened, but now this time I start getting this weird noise. So when you hear a noise, if I touch it, it goes away. So I thought, that because of the 220, I could have burned a capacitor. That's what I've been checking. So from the schematic, the suspects were these two guys. These big ones, which I don't think so, because they're high voltage. But these two little ones, these little guys here, not the big ones there. I was suspecting, see, these are the two Zener diodes, which we get there 15 volts. See the first diode, I'm getting the 15 volts, so that's fine. I'm checking the second one. I also get a 15 volts, so those two diodes seems to be okay. So I think it's, then I figured out, let me see, when I put something on the guitar, put like ground, maybe it could be guitar, so let me try a different guitar. So I'm gonna turn on with my 335, and here, no noise. See? I don't have to touch it, nothing happens. So there is nothing wrong with the amp and the 220 volts I put for about 10 seconds. It's just my little Strat that's got some issue. So here, I don't touch it and everything is fine. So guys, if you got a problem, just make sure you check the guitar first. Because I was about to pull out the capacitors and stuff, and when there was nothing wrong there. It sounds just great. So the problem seems to be here on the Strat. So I just blew this, and connectors look fine, but I'm gonna re-solder them because it could be needing a reflux as the first shot. Also here on the back, there's another point that might need a reflux right here. This is a ground thing.